So I'm just doing a quick stop at the supermarket to grab some stuff on my trip. I'm getting some water and snacks. Sorry. Wonderful, bright and sunny. I'm not sure how this will pan out because God decided to send down some of his teardrops to bless us. It's currently raining, so I am just hoping that things will clear up so that I can continue with this road trip. So guys, just continue watching for some good clips, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Update. I'm currently in the town of Buff Bay. Yes, can't tell me them girls didn't come from Buff Bay. So while I'm on this trip, you know, the worms inside my belly decided to act up. So I'm just going to eat some of my honey roasted peanuts This is gonna keep me until I reach where I'm going. Whew. So this is a quick stop to reboot after a long drive. The worms are still persistent, so I'm currently at the Errol Flynn Marina where I'm going to get something to eat. Well, I've already bought some food, so I'm just gonna stop under a gazebo and get some food because these worms are still persistent. I'm hungry, very hungry right now. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going to eat, and then after I'll be off again. So I stopped at the supermarket earlier. I got some Arizona mucho mango and, you know, my favorites, lemon bear, sorrel bear, red stripe, buffalo water, and got some food at a food shop. Got some fried chicken with curry gravy, rice and peas and veg, and Barbie fry, pasta, rice and peas. So yes guys, I'm going to dig in and then I'll be off again.
Amen. Focus on your food.
throw away mine.
Better safe than sorry.
Oh, could not go anymore. Whew. So guys, now that I'm all full, we're gonna take off again. No stopping this time because we still have a long way to go. But I feel so much better. I feel re-energized after that. Listen, you're going to be driving, so don't bother me with a sleepy thing beside me, okay? No sleep. So I'm going to wrap this up and we're gonna go. And then when I reach, I'll show you guys where we are and what's going to happen.
Peanut man. Peanut man. Take a second, please.
Afternoon.
Good day. Is this the way to Comfort Castle?
Yeah. Go look at where it's still have a pass to Windsor, Kalama. You know Windsor? Anyway,
Straight up.
Yeah, go straight ahead. Don't turn off.
Alright.
And when we fellowship, you have to go by your
Left.
Yeah, go straight up here.
Alright.
Guys, just a quick update. I think we're lost. We're trying to get on the Google Maps to direct us to where we're going. We've been asking a few persons, but you know, when you're in the country, you get some direction that really not spell sense. But yeah, so we're here trying to access Google Maps to try and find the location. So still keeping my fingers crossed that this will be a successful trip. So Google said that we're on the right path. So Google, I hope you're right. It's a long ass way though. Jesus. Guys, whew, I finally reached. Well, I'm not even reached yet, but I'm close to where I'm heading. It was a long journey, got lost on the way, and got a lot of crazy directions. And I say, trust me, it's not a lie when they say that, you know, in the rural areas you get all sorts of directions that don't match out. But yeah, I'm currently out of breath. So we have probably about 10-15 minutes walk, and where I'm heading to is a place called Dry River in Comfort Castle, a little community in the parish of Portland. So whew, let me catch my breath. Yeah, so that's where I'm heading right now. I was told that it's very beautiful, very serene, and you know, I love nature, so why not? Nothing lost. I'm not there as yet to see what the place looks like, but I'm hoping that it will be worth the driving, as this was a far ass distance from home. So let's just see what happens. So guys, I met a little friend that decided to show us the way to Dry River. So we're thankful because we did not know where we were going. What's your name, my friend? Try. Say hi. Yeah. Guys, so Troy said it's a little walk down to the river. I didn't know what to expect, so I don't have on any sneakers or anything. And it rains, so there's a lot of mud. So I'm just trying to gear myself around here. This way? Okay. Oh, it's gonna get grimy.